It is a loud and active port here in Seattle. We have taken our first steps off of the Carnival Spirit. We were so excited for this journey. Rocky, what do you think?
You know, it was a lot of fun. We still love Seattle and Alaska, really. We're happy to and excited to come back to visit Alaska again. Would we choose Spirit again? You'll have to stay tuned for our full review.
I like what you did there. We'll be putting out what we loved, what we didn't love, and what we hated. So stick around and we will see you back in Phoenix. Join us on Sail Talk Saturday.
Yep.
We'll be in Phoenix for Sail Talk Saturday.
Yay!
Join us. We'll see you soon.